the homework questions given are, so this is the first question. The first question is, the length of the subnormal at any point on the curve xy power n equal to a power n plus 1 is a constant, is a constant, then n equal to how much? Okay, the length of the subnormal at any point on the curve is a constant. Okay, so the length of the subnormal is a constant, he says. Okay, so length of subnormal is given by modulus of y1 into m. Okay, modulus of y1 into m. Okay, y1 is the point at which the at on the curve. Okay, x1 comma y1 is the point on the curve. Okay, at which you will draw the tangent. Okay, so that y coordinate is nothing but y1 here. y1 into m. M is slope of the tangent. Okay, now slope of the tangent. So we are supposed to find out the value of n provided length of subnormal has to be a constant. Okay, constant means independent of x and y. Okay, first let us find out m. Okay, slope of tangent m is equal to, differentiate this, that's all. Okay, if you want to find out m, I need to differentiate that. If I differentiate that xy power n, okay, I need to use product rule, u v dash n into y power n minus 1 into y dash. Okay, u v dash plus y v u dash y power n into 1 equal to how much? Equal to 0. A power n plus 1 is a constant, 0. Okay, so y power y dash is how much now? So y dash equal to minus y power n divided by n x into y power n minus 1. Okay, so here y power n I can cancel out. Minus y power n divided by n x y power n into y power minus 1. Y power n cancel out. Y power minus 1 is 1 by y goes to numerator. So therefore m equal to, okay, minus y by nx. Okay, m equal to minus y by nx. So now m equal to minus y by n. X is how much from this equation? From equation number 1, what is x? Okay, from equation number 1, x is a to the power of n plus 1 divided by y power n. Y power n. So y power n goes to numerator. This becomes y power n plus 1. Okay. Okay, so this becomes y power n plus 1. Okay, so x equal to, x is a power n plus 1 divided by y power n goes to numerator. Okay, so y power n plus 1. Okay, so m equal to y to the power of n plus 1 divided by n into a to the power of n plus 1. So we'll continue in the next slide. So m equal to okay, minus y into minus y to the power of n plus 1 divided by n into a power n plus 1, n into a power n plus 1. Okay, okay, so now this is the value for m. Now we are supposed to find out the, actually we have to find out the value for n provided length of subnormal is constant. Length of subnormal, I just now told mod of y into m. Okay, m I just now found out. Okay, y into m is minus y power n plus 1 divided by n into a power n plus 1. So this is equal to minus y power n plus 2 divided by n into a power n plus 2. So mod is there, so mod is there, minus becomes plus. Now this has to be a constant. If this has to be a constant, if the length of the subnormal has to be a constant, it should be independent of x and y. If it has to be independent of x and y, denominator is totally a constant. If I want numerator to be a constant, I want the power of y to be 0. Okay, if this has to be a constant, then this implies that n plus 2 has to be equal to 0. So this implies n equal to minus 2. Okay, I hope this is very clear for you people. Okay, length of subnormal has to be constant. Okay, length of subnormal has to be a constant. Constant means independent of x and y. So find out the slope of the tangent, substitute here, simple. You will get the value for n. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next question. The angle made by the tangent at any point on the curve x equal to a into t plus sin t cos t, y equal to a into 1 plus sin t whole square with x axis. What is the angle made by the tangent? Okay, what is the angle made by the tangent. That means he is asking the inclination of the tangent. Inclination of the tangent. Why? Because with x-axis. Now, angle made by the tangent means first I will find out the slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt means differentiate y with respect to t, a into 2 into 1 plus sin t whole power 2 minus 1 into 0 plus cos t divided by a into t ka differentiation 1 plus sin t cos t is sin t into cos differentiation is minus sin, okay, into minus sin t plus cos t into sin t differentiation is again cos t, becomes cos square t. Okay, so this is equal to 2a cos t into 1 plus sin t divided by a into 1 minus sin square t plus cos square t. A and a cancel. Okay, 1 minus sin square t is how much? Cos square t. So this is 2. Okay, multiply cos t inside. This becomes, okay, you can multiply 2 cos t only inside. If you multiply 2 cos t inside, this becomes 2 cos t plus 2 sin t cos t divided by 1 minus sin square t is cos square t. Cos square t plus this is cos square t. Cos square t plus cos square t is how much? 2 cos square t. 2 cos square t. Okay. So again, if you split the denominator, this will become what? This will become 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 by cos you will get. This will be secant t plus 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel, sin by cos is again tan. Secant t plus tan t will be the dy by dx. Secant t plus tan t will be dy by dx. Now, can I write this secant t plus tan t in terms of tan? Yes, I can. So secant t dy by dx is equal to secant t plus tan t, secant t plus tan t. Secant t plus tan t can also be written as tan of pi by 4 plus t by 2. Secant t plus tan t means tan of pi by 4 plus t by 2. Okay, we can simplify this and you can prove this also. Tan of pi by 4 plus t by 2. So dy by dx equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination. In place of theta, what do I have? Pi by 4 plus theta, t by 2. Okay, therefore, inclination theta is equal to pi by 4 plus t by 2 is the answer. Okay, very simple. I hope this is very clear for you people. Yes. Next. The angle made between the curves y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4ay is. What is the angle made between the curves? Okay. Now you see here, if you want to find out the angle between the curves, that means you need to find out the angle between the tangents at the point of contact. Okay, we all know that y square equal to 4x is a parabola opening towards positive x-axis with vertex at the origin. Okay, we all know that. Okay, suppose this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. Okay, now this is y square equal to 4x is a blue color parabola opening towards positive x-axis. And x square equal to 4ay is the parabola opening towards positive y-axis. Okay, this is x square equal to 4ay, red color wala parabola, and y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax is a blue color parabola. So if you simplify these two, you will get the point of intersection. Point of intersection, you will get 4a comma 4a. Okay, point of intersection you will get 4a comma 4a. If you put a, okay, clear. See, if you want, you can find out. So y square equal to, so find point of intersection. Point of intersection is, if you find point of intersection by solving these two curves, y square equal to 4a into x is how much? Root of 4ay. So again, if you square on both sides, this becomes y power 4 equal to 16a square into 4ay. Okay, so y cube is equal to 16 into 4, 64. Okay, 64a cube. So y cube equal to, so y equal to 4a. If y is equal to 4a, if y is equal to 4a, x is also 4a. See here, if you substitute here, x square equal to 4a into 4a, which is x square equal to 16a square. This implies x is equal to 4a. So x is 4a, y is 4a. 4a comma 4a is the point of intersection. First point we found out. 4a comma 4a is the point of intersection. Now what I will do is I need to find out the slope of the tangent at 4a comma 4a, slope of the tangent at 4a comma 4a for this curve, both the curves. Okay. So differentiate the first curve at the point 4a comma 4a, you will get m1. Differentiate the second curve at the point 4a comma 4a, you will get the second slope. Okay, slope of the second tangent. So if you find out the slope of the first tangent and the slope of the second tangent, then if you find out the angle between the two tangents, it is as if you are finding the angle between two curves. If you find the angle between the tangents at the point of contact, at the point of intersection, okay, that means you are finding the angle between the two curves. Okay, now y square equal to 4x is the first curve. So if you differentiate this 2y y dash equal to 4a, so y dash equal to 2a by y, okay, at the point of contact at 4a comma 4a. So let me call this as m1. m1 is 2a by 4a, which is 1 by 2. Similarly, x square equal to 4ay is the second curve. If you differentiate this 2x equal to 4a y dash, this implies y dash equal to x by 2a at the point at 4a comma 4a. This becomes m2 equal to 4a by 2a is 2. So angle between the two curves is tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m1 m2. So m2 is how much? 2 minus m1 is 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2 by 2. This is 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 by 4. So theta is how much? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Right on. I hope this is very clear. Just I found out the point of intersection between the two curves. Okay, I found out the slope of the tangent to the first curve and slope of the tangent to the second curve, and then using the angle between the two curves, angle between the two lines. Okay, formula tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. I found out the angle between the two curves. Okay, so the next question is level 2, first question. The number of tangents to the curve x square power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2 equal to a power 3 by 2 where the tangents are equally inclined. Equally inclined means, see here, if this is your x-axis and y-axis, this is the tangent to some curve like this. Okay, suppose this is some curve like this. Suppose this is the curve. Okay, suppose this is the curve. If this tangent is equally inclined to both the axes, okay, can I say that slope of the tangent is either plus or minus 1? Can I say it is plus or minus 1? Suppose this is the one angle. Okay, if it is equally inclined, this angle and this angle has to be same. Okay, if this is the tangent, this angle and this angle has to be same. So since the tangents are equally inclined, tangents are equally inclined, slope of tangent 45 45, tan 45 1, tan 45 1. Okay, tan 45. Slope of tangents is plus or minus 1. So put dy by dx equal to 1 and find out the answer. That's all. Okay. If you get only one point, okay, let us find out the point. If you get only one point, that means what? That means at that point there is only one tangent. If you get multiple points, then you have multiple tangents. Okay. Now see here, dy by dx, differentiate this. If you differentiate x power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2, x to the power of 3 by 2 plus y to the power of 3 by 2 equal to a to the power of 3 by 2. Find out the slope for this. Okay, slope of the tangent to this. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, 3 by 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into y to the power of 1 by 2 into y dash equal to 0. So what is y dash? So y dash will be x to the power of 1 by 2 by y to the power of 1 by 2. This y dash means dy by dx. Dy by dx means how much I have to take 1. So root x equal to root y or x equal to y. So x equal to y you put in the given curve. So this becomes x to the power of 3 by 2. Y also x only. So x power 3 by 2 equal to a power 3 by 2. 2 into x power 3 by 2 equal to a to the power of 3 by 2. So x equal to a to the power of 3 by 2 by 2. So x power 3 by 2. So x is equal to, okay. So you can send this. So a to the power of x is a to the power of 3 by 2 by 2 whole to the power of 2 by 3. Whole to the power of 2 by 3. Okay. So if you multiply this, it will be a by 2 power 2 by 3. A power, okay, a by 2 power 2 by 3. Okay, 2 square 4, 4 cube root. Okay, so this x you will get how much? 8 a divided by 2 power 2 by 3. 2 power 2 by 3, 2 square 4, 4 cube root of 4 you will get. Okay, cube root of 4 you will get. Okay, similarly x you got, similarly y also you will get the same thing. Okay, you will get y also same thing. This is also x equal to y. So x comma y I got a single point, a unique point, single point a by cube root of 4. Okay, a by cube root of 4 comma a by cube root of 4. A by cube root of 4. So you get only one, you got only 1 point. So therefore how many tangents? At 1 point 1 tangent. So therefore number of tangents is how much? 1. Therefore number of tangents is equal to how much? Is equal to 1. Okay, fine. So the last question of level 2 of this section is the points on the curve y equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x at which the tangent line is parallel to. So it's very simple. One curve is given here. One curve is given like this. Okay, the points on the curve is asking at which the tangent line is parallel. This is, suppose this is the tangent. This is the tangent. This line is parallel to which line? Y equal to, this is the line y equal to 3x minus 2. We all know two lines parallel, slopes equal. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 3. So slope of this tangent should also be equal to 3 only. Okay, line and tangent are parallel. Parallel. Therefore, slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of this line is 3. What is the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 3. Dy by dx is 3x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 3. So 3x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So what are the factors here? 3x square minus okay. So minus 6x plus 2x. Okay. So minus 12x square. So minus 4 equal to 0. So 3x if you take common, x minus 2 plus 2 if you take common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 and x minus 2 are the two factors. Therefore, what are the points? The point is x minus 2 means x equal to 2x, and 2x minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2 by 3. X equal to minus 2 by 3. When x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, what is the value for y? Y you substituted here. X is 2 means 2 cube minus 2 into 4. Okay, 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square 4. Okay, minus 2. So minus 2. So this is 8 minus 8 minus 2, which is minus 2. So one point I got 2 comma minus 2 is the point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the given line. Next, x equal to minus 2 by 3 is another point. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3 ka whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus of minus plus 2 by 3. This is the minus 8 by 27 plus 4 by 3. Am I right? This is whole square, alwa. So this will be whole square. So this will be how much? This will be, okay, minus, so 4. So this is 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, by 9. Okay, plus 2 by 3. Clear? So LCM is 27. So 27. So this is minus 8 minus how much? This is 3. So 24 plus 18. Okay, 9. So 18. Okay, so this will be uh, 18 minus 24 minus 6 minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. So minus 14 by 27. Yes, minus 14 by 27 is the y value. So minus 2 by 3, minus 2 comma minus 2 and minus 2 by 3 comma minus 14 by 27 is the answer. These are the 2 points. Okay. So once again, see the points on the curve at which the tangent line and this line is parallel. Because it is parallel, slopes are equal. Slope of this line equal to slope of tangent. Slope of this line we can easily say y equal to mx plus c. M is 3 here. So 3. So find out x. So for corresponding x, substitute in the on the curve. Okay, substitute on the curve and find out the value for the corresponding value for y. So that will be the points on the curve. Okay, that means these 2 points, for these 2 points, the tangent at these 2 points and the lines are what? Parallel. Okay, I hope this is very clear for you. Thank you.